My name's Andrew. I work at Torpedo7 Te Rapa as the head mechanic. I look after the workshop and I look after any other mechanics that we have on board. So day to day, I'll come in the morning, work out what bikes need building or repairing for the day, go through TPOS and make sure that everything that's been sold has either been replenished or built for the day, and then contact customers when bikes are ready. And if not, then just put bikes out on the shop floor when they're ready to be sold. The reason why I love my workshop is basically, as you can see, I've kind of laid it all out exactly how I want it. I'm allowed to do so, and I've all the tools I need to do all the jobs I need to do, really. So development for me really has been just evolving with the evolution of the bikes. Suspension technology is very different to what it was, so I get to work and service suspension, seat posts, working with different levels of bikes. Everyone has its own little challenge and it's enjoyable. That's why I do it, to be honest. Like assembling bikes all day is pretty cool. Like we get to work on really good stuff, but it's the challenge of learning how to fix other stuff, you know, like just problems that you haven't come across before, perhaps. The team here at Torpedo7 is pretty mixed. What I do like about it is you've got like a lot of people that like, some people like snowboarders, and that's their main passion. Most people are in some degree into cycling, which is really good. Different levels of ability, but you've got all the different areas of knowledge or expertise and experience, so it's actually a really good team.